We used to make digital twins of machines, like engines or factory systems, to track and improve them. But now the focus is changing toward people. Human digital twins have come a long way. In the early 2020s, they were just basic tools that stored things like our photos and posts. Today's digital twins can use data from wearables, messages, and other real-time inputs. Instead of just knowing what we did in the past, they can also predict what we might do next. Some companies are already building very detailed digital versions of people. These can act on someone's behalf, like attending simple meetings. They don't just copy how a person looks or sounds, they also try to match how they think and react emotionally. When the human source dies, the AI version can move into Black Mirror territory, a kind of digital immortality without a real human soul. If the AI version of a person keeps working or earning money using that person's name, who should own or control that income? A family may feel comforted by talking to a digital copy of their loved one, but do they have the right to permanently delete it? A digital twin could be hacked or retrained with false ideas and be turned into someone promoting violence if it falls into the wrong hands. If you're building an AI assistant or a digital version of yourself, think about these things early. Keep control of your personal data and don't depend only on one company. Save backups and use secure or decentralized storage when possible. Teach the AI your values and limits. Decide how long your digital twin should exist, whether it should stop after your death or continue. There is still doubt about whether an AI assistant can truly match human intelligence and emotional expression to give a real feeling of presence.